everyone, welcome back to another video. It is such a beautiful sunny day today. I just felt like coming into the caravan and doing a painting while I have some sunshine. You know, I'm in Ireland, the sun doesn't shine often, so when it does, make the most of it. So I want to do a Dutch pour today again, so stick around for that. And then here is the dried result on our mandala. It is now dry. It is really pretty. It has the metallics, which are now doing what metallics do, and it's a nice bright colorful painting. I really like it. All I've got to do now is just take a little bit of tissue paper and wet it and just wipe, you know, the white pencil where I did the grid lines. I just need to take a wet cloth and just clean that off, and that's it. This is now done. Looking very cool. So, Dutch pour today. Come along and join me. And let's see if I don't get carried away with this one. Let's see if I can keep it simple. Come along and join me. Okay, so I've mixed up some paints and I've watered them all down, and of course I've taped up the back of my canvas. Now I don't need push pins for this, I don't think, because when I'm finished with this, I'm going to put it on cups anyway. So, can you see it? Yeah, I'm actually going to bring it a little bit closer. Ooh, it's stuck. I'm going to bring it closer, like that, and then bring you closer, like, oops, like that. Right, let me put my gloves on. So what I've done is I've mixed up a very light purple color, which I'm going to put on as the base, and then I've just got some colors to put over, and we'll see if we can get this to work the way I want it to work. So let's just start with the base. Doesn't have to be perfect. Right, so we are going to put some color. I think we'll start with this one. And then a little bit of this one. And then a little bit of white. And then some of this pink. And then I just mixed up extra of this just to put on each side of it. Okay. Let us begin. Okay. For some reason I've lost all my color in the middle. Why? Why? Okay, I didn't overdo it. That is a good thing. So I just want to make sure, oh, my hands are all shaky. I just want to cover the canvas properly. Like that. I'll take that out. This should level out when it dries. Ooh, I am so shaky. But there are just a couple spots on here where it's it doesn't have a lot of paint on it. Yeah, I think that looks better. Oh, I like it. I like it. The purple is very bright. You know, this dark purple is very bright, but there's also some pretty colors popping through. It's nice, and I still have negative space, and that is what I wanted today, is to have some of the negative space at the back still showing. Yeah, I'm not going to do anything more with this because I don't want to ruin it. I think it looks very pretty the way it is. So I'm going to take my gloves off, and I'm going to prop this up on some cups, and then I will bring you down for a close-up. Hold on a sec. Okay, so here it is. Again, I don't think you can see the proper colors. I'll put the flash on. So very bright, lovely patterns in it. Some lovely purple, lovely orange. There is some pink, some white. It's all shining through. All the colors I put in are shining through, which I'm happy about. Those very pretty wispies. Very, very, very pretty. Very cool. This is what, more or less, what a Dutch boy is supposed to look like. My first attempts didn't come out looking like this, but I'm improving, you know, improving. With practice, you can only get better, can't you? So yeah, I'm sure that this will level out as it dries. I hope it does, because you can see it's quite lumpy. But it should level out. And yeah, let's wait till Saturday and we'll see what it looks like then. It should be pretty dry by then, if the sun stays with us. Look, see? Sun? Look at it. Sun. So if it stays all sunny like this, then this should be pretty dry by Saturday. So, yeah. That's it, everyone. Please join me on Saturday when we do another painting. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet, and share the video with your friends, family, anybody who you think would enjoy it. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.